there's ants, because of course there's ants. Alright. Let's have a look inside. Alright, there's bees on both sides. This one has a little less activity. I mean, a lot less. Let's see how they're doing. Okay. We'll calm them down a bit. There's a lot of smoke here in Canada. Makes the bees a bit grouchy. We'll start with the far side relative to me. Oh, let's grab the tool properly. Alright. Let's see what's happening in here. I see a queen cell, rather the queen cell I grafted. There are no trace of eggs in here. Let's see if the cell emerged. There's almost no bees left. The cell emerged, but from what I can tell, she never came back. And there's no population left whatsoever. This one's a complete failure. Alright. So I might just merge them into a single hive, because the other side seems to be doing quite well. At least population wise. Let's see if there's any eggs. Well, there's nothing there, so no eggs there. And we have a queen rate nuke. Now, since this side failed completely and there's no population left, I will merge them. Okay, I remove all the near empty frames from the failed nuke and move them into this 10 frame box. And then I'll be transferring the successful nuke into this one. Alright. I'll try and show you the queen if I find her. Unfortunately, I forgot my marker again. So that will not be an option. Making my life harder just by forgetting things. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is indeed full of eggs. If I see the queen, I'll try and show her to you. So at least we have one successful mating nuke. Oh yeah, this is full of egg all the way to the brim. Although I've been notoriously bad at trying and actually, well, I've been notoriously bad at actually finding queens. Alright, see the next frame over. More brood, more eggs, happy bees. Let's finish transferring these girls over. They're busily trying to draw this comb. See? It's a big fat drone over there. Well, that's one failure, one success. Now, this is pretty much routine work. I won't bother going through every single one in front of the camera. But I still would like to share some of the success and failures, because one thing's for sure in beekeeping, one way or another you're going to have some sort of failure. It's inevitable. This looks like a success. This was our original starter finisher. I just left them with one cell. And considering the amount of bees in there, we might have a success, but then again, those might just be leftovers from all the frames of broods I grafted. And I see eggs. I won't bother this queen any longer, or this hive I should say. That's 2 out of 3 successful mated queens. Now we have a bunch more left to go. I'll try and show you a few more and give you a final tally. Speaking of failures, this one I inadvertently kept closed for a week. So it might make it. There might be a queen in there. I don't know. Let's have a look at the hive I accidentally kept open. Closed, I should say. They're still alive. That's a good thing. Now, did the queen get time to be mated? That's the question. Oh, they're quite alive. Make sure there's no queen on the cover. Now, let's have a look inside. I'm not surprised to see that there is no eggs in the first frame. Hey, the queen emerged. You know what I'm gonna do is try and give them a frame of fresh brood. See if that will help. Now the queen might still be in there. But I'm not gonna take any chance. I'm gonna go in my resource hive and try and grab that's a drone frame, as you can see. I'm trying to grab a frame of capped brood, and I'm back. Ran into more problems when I went to get some uncapped and capped brood and eggs. I found out that one of my resource hive, I'd lost its queen. So I had to get 2 frames from another hive, put one in the resource hive so they can make a new queen, and one in here just in case I killed the queen. There we go. Fresh eggs and some capped brood, mature capped brood, to reinforce those girls. Hopefully, my mistake did not kill the queen. She'll go out and get mated, and everything will be alright. Or they now have the resources to make a new queen. Whew. It's been a strange day. All the remaining nukes that needed brood and eggs were giving some, and I'll give them another chance at making a queen. If those 5 don't succeed in making a queen, I'll just buy one. So that's all for now. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Please like and subscribe.